going on, Rotters? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking a look at the Mustang 60 years series. So let's go ahead and get on into it. So these were released to celebrate the 60th anniversary of Mustang, and they are part of the Hot Wheels Silver series, as you see here. Now, you might remember in around 2024 that we had the Hot Wheels Hot Wagons, and it was just a silver label here, but now they're actually calling it the Silver Series. So here's just a custom 66 GTO, and you see it's just the same silver logo, but it doesn't say Silver Series below it. And again, these came out in 2024, and they were introduced as part of the new Silver Label Premium, which is the line in between the regular main lines and the gold label premiums, which we're going to be talking about those in this video as well. So let's go ahead and get into this first car. So this first car is one of 5. This is a part of a 5-set series, and it is the 84 Ford Mustang SVO Fox body, which is really nice. Really cool card art. There you see the 60 years since 1964, so 2025 would be the 60-year anniversary. So good details on this, which with this being a step above a mainline, you would expect there to be some good details. So most of the time they do have plastic bases on the Silver Series, but sometimes they do have metal. But there you can see the 84 Mustang SVO, 2011 Mattel copyright. So here you can see the taillight details, the Mustang SVO with the Ford logo. A red stripe down the side, Ford logo, and headlights and turn signals. Some black around the hood scoop with another red line, with a maroon interior. SVO badge on the quarter panel and Hot Wheels on the door. Really nice looking car. So number 2 of this series is a 69 Ford Mustang Boss 302 in red. Has a really nice looking card art as well. So there's a look at it in the package. Let's go ahead and crack this one open. So a lot of people have already got these, but around here, they just dropped local. So, and some of the cards were bent up and not in the best shape anyways. But there's the front, some headlight details. You can see they got the hood pin detail. Just a black hood. Boss 302 on the side there. And again, a really nice set of taillights. Just black interior. Plastic base. It's a really good looking car as well. Number 3 in this series is the 71 Ford Mustang Mach 1. And like this green color. It's like a light green. Again, really nice card art. So again, we got some hood pin details. Side marker light, Mach 1 Mustang. Taillights, exhaust pipes are also painted. Or Tampo stamped. Some nice rims. Black interior. Really good looking. So next up in the set is number 4 of 5, the 2018 Ford Mustang RTR Spec 5. And this is where we're going to talk about the Gold Series of Hot Wheels. So here we have a Hot Wheels Premium Hot Wheels Car Culture Slide Street 2 RTR Vehicles 2018 Ford Mustang RTR Spec 5. Now there's a lot of similarities between the tampos of this Gold Series Spec 5 and the 60th anniversary. And what they did was they just took the base that they used for this and they used it on this, because this also has a metal base. So if you pick up this set, you'll notice that this car is a lot heavier than a lot of the other cars in the set. Now, another series that is also part of the Golden Series is the Hot Wheels Pop Culture. So a lot of your pop culture cars are going to be gold. And they're also going to have rubber wheels. So I just thought that was an interesting thing that I would bring up in this video, is that they have the same base. So this is a metal base. It just has plastic wheels. And again, you can see a lot of the similarities with it. So let's go ahead and crack this one open. So this one has like a gray metallic paint job with orange. You can see the license plate, taillight detail. No tampo or paint on the exhaust tips. Black interior. But this one just, it feels really nice in your hand because it does have that metal base. So it has a good weight to it. Really nice car overall. Probably one of my favorites in this series. And lastly in this set is number 5 of 5, the 65 Ford Mustang 2+2 Fastback. Now this one has a really nice paint job on it. It's like a blue metallic. Again, all these had stunning card art. So you can see some of that metal flake in the paint. Really nice. Here's a look at your taillight detail. Has the window louvers on the side. Very nice. So out of this whole series, I think my favorite is this Fastback, this 2018, and this Boss 302. Some really nice looking cars. So let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. Do you have this set yet? Have they popped up in your store? Like I said, they have popped up in a lot of places, but I'm just now finally getting them here locally. So let's go ahead and end this on some close-ups. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.
is brought to you by the family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.